Okay, good morning, Algi. Welcome to your interview with Rama Loka Technology. My name is Lamda, and I will be conducting you interview today. We're thrilled to have you with us and are looking forward to learning more about you, your experiences, and how you might fit into our team here at Ramat Loka Technology. Today's interview will be structured around several keys, including personal details, work history, education, and your interests and potential contributions to our company. Each question has been allotted a specific amount of time, ensuring we cover all necessary ground efficiently. Before we dive into the question, do you have any initial queries or need any clarification about the process?
No?
Okay, great. If you are ready, let's begin with the first section on personal details. Okay. So please describe yourself in 5 words.
Open-minded, serene, resilient, tranquil, ebullient.
Okay, great. So what is your greatest weakness?
My greatest weakness is when I face opinions that are not based on strong and real evidence. So I need to give in the so I need to accept the opinion.
Okay, great. Describe a difficult work situation or project and how you overcame it.
So when I have to learn new things or habit, I think this is normal because adaptation is not something that is difficult, but also not something that is impossible to do. So I will do my best for adoption in a new things or habits.
Okay, great. So let's move to next section. We are going to work history. So what were your starting and final levels of compensation?
Okay, I appreciate your interest in my compensation history. While I prefer not to disclose specific figures, I can assure you that my compensation has been commensurate with my skill and experiences. What's most important to me is the opportunity to contribute to a dynamic team and make a meaningful impact in this role. I'm excited about the possibility of joining your company and leveraging my expertise to drive success.
Okay, great. Next, what do you expect from a supervisor?
My expectation of my supervisor is someone who is willing to direct me, so that is in the accordance with what he wants. Because as a new employee, I need a direction from a supervisor so that my work is correct and efficient. I think the advice from my supervisor is only for my good as a new employer.
Okay, great. What have you been doing since your last job?
Um, what I've been doing in my last job is I did some things like adding a features to an existing system. The feature is adding a process that has been defined by the project manager and the client.
Okay, let's move into education. What contribution did the subjects in your college give to your career?
The subject that might be the foundation of my career is image processing. I like image processing because it applies mathematics in the IT world in a real and easy to understand way.
What did you learn from the student organization?
Well, what I learned from the student organization is about how to express opinions and accept opinions. Both of these things are important because the input received can be used as material for self-evaluation so that we can continue to develop towards a better one.
Okay, let's move into company. What interests you about this job?
Well, I haven't studied this job for so long, but when I do it, I feel satisfied when I have done the task as needed. Some things in this job may be a little difficult, but I think these difficult things must be achieved in order to develop myself.
Okay, great. What can you do for this company?
With my ability to adapt and be able to accept all input on myself, I believe I can work optimally with this company. I will give my maximum performance in performing the tasks assigned to me, so that the company will experience benefit by recruiting me.
Okay, great. How do you plan to achieve those goals?
My plan in achieve this goal is to learn the things in the company as fast as I can. I target in less than 3 months. I can fully adapt to the culture, tasks, and other people in this company.
Okay, great. So thank you, Algi, for such an engaging and information discussion. Your insights and experience have been illuminating, and we appreciate the time and effort you've put into this interview. So as the next steps, our team will be reviewing the interviews and reaching out to candidates who move forward to the next stage within the next 2 weeks. Should you be selected, you will receive an email from us with details on the following steps, including any additional interview tasks. In the meantime, if you have any question or need further information about the process, please don't hesitate to contact me at lamdarevs@gmail.com. We will also ensure to keep you updated on your application status. Thank you once again for considering a career with Rama Local Technology. We wish you the best of luck and hope to have the opportunity to welcome you to our team. Have a wonderful day, Algi. Thank you.
Thank you. Good morning, Lamda. Welcome to your interview with Alpha Indosoft. My name is Algi, and I will be conducting your interview today. We are thrilled to have you with us and are looking forward to learn more about you, your experiences, and how you might fit into our team here at Alpha Indosoft. Today's interview will be structured around several key areas, including personal details, work history, education, and your interest and potential contribution to our company. Each question has been allotted a specific amount of time, ensuring we've covered all necessary ground efficiently. Before we dive into the question, do you have any initial queries or need any clarification about the process?
No.
Great. If you're ready, let's begin with the first section on personal details. First question is, describe yourself in 5 words.
Passionate, proactive, knowledgeable, committed, and innovative.
Nice. Second question is, what is your greatest weakness?
One aspect I have identified for improvement is delegating tasks. In my eagerness to ensure high-quality outcomes in projects, I have often taken on a significant portion of the work for myself. This has sometimes led to inefficiencies and reduced opportunities for teamwork. Recognizing this, I have been actively working on trusting my team members more and leveraging our collective strengths by distributing tasks more effectively. This shift not only improved project timelines, but also fostered a more collaborative team environment.
Great. Describe a difficult work situation or project and how you overcome it.
And the last I worked at Padepokan 9, I was tasked with developing an inventory management application front end. The challenge was integrating complex functionalities with an intuitive UI or UX design, and then I overcome this by collaborating closely with the UI UX designer and leveraging my proficiency in React JS and Vue.js, ensuring the application was both functional and user-friendly.
Okay, now we move to work history. So, what were your starting and final levels of compensation?
Okay, so this information is confidential. However, I can share that my compensation package was aligned with industry standards for my role and experience level at Padepokan 9.
Okay, what do you expect from a supervisor?
I expect a clear communication, support for professional development, and encourage innovation can significantly enhance my productivity and engagement.
Excellent. And now, what have you been doing since your last job?
Since my last role, I have been focusing on enhancing my technical skills through various courses on decoding, specifically in front-end web development and JavaScript basics. Additionally, I have been working on personal projects to apply my learnings practically.
Okay, now we move on education section. What contribution did the subjects in your college give to your career?
My informatics engineering studies provided a solid foundation in both front-end and back-end development, as well as UI or UX design. Courses like event-driven architecture have directly contributed to my understanding and application of these concepts in real-world projects.
Okay, now what did you learn from the student organization?
Participating in the student organization taught me valuable soft skills such as teamwork, leadership, and project management. These experiences have enhanced my ability to collaborate effectively in professional settings.
Nice. Now we move on the company section. And what interests you about this job?
I am particularly attracted to the innovation approach to web design and the dynamic user experiences at Algi. The opportunity to work in the Philippines, coupled with the company's support for professional development, aligns perfectly with my career aspiration.
Okay, now what can you do for this company?
With my skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and tools like Figma and Git, I can contribute to creating intuitive and dynamic web applications. My experience in UI/UX design will also support the company's goal for delivering exceptional user experience.
Okay, now the last question for you is how do you plan to achieve those goals?
By leveraging my technical skills, continuing to learn and adapt to new technologies, and collaborating effectively with the team, I plan to contribute to innovative projects that align with the company's objectives and exceed expectations.
That's awesome, Lamda. Thank you, Lamda, for such an engaging and informative discussion. Your insight and experiences have been illuminating, and we appreciate the time and effort you have put into this interview. As the next step, our team will be reviewing the interview and reaching out to candidates who move forward to the next stage within the next maybe 2 weeks. Should you be selected, we'll receive an email from us with details on the following steps, including any additional interview or test. In the meantime, if you have any question or need further information about the process, please don't hesitate to contact me at Algi at alphaindosoft.com. We will also ensure to keep you updated on your application status. Thank you once again for considering a career with Alpha Indosoft. We wish the best of luck and hope to have the opportunity to welcome you to our team. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, thank you.